This is a new 2015 Ford Mustang. It's powered by rear-wheel drive, a 2.3-liter four-cylinder engine. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. The features include a turbocharger, internet connectivity, electric trunk, Bluetooth connectivity, digital audio input, an auxiliary input, steering wheel controls, aluminum rims, auto-dimming mirrors, a tilt and telescopic steering wheel. Safety was made a priority with these features: a backup camera, curtain head airbags, side airbags, independent suspension, brake assist, traction control, stability control, a passenger airbag, low tire pressure warning, front ventilated disc brakes. Rest easy knowing this vehicle comes with a Carfax Vehicle History Report from Carfax, the most trusted provider of vehicle history information. Great quality at a great price. Call or click to contact us today. Tiffany Motor Company is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your next vehicle is a pleasant one. We are located at 300 Gateway Drive, Hollister, California, 95024.